weather. Feeling ill/getting a cold. For example, my mom was feeling a bit under the weather. I noticed that the cat was looking a little under the weather. Cold feet. Becoming nervous. For example, it was her chance to speak, and she was getting cold feet. The backup quarterback was called into the game, but he got cold feet and refused to go in. Apple of my eye. Used to refer to someone whom you are very fond of or like. For example, my younger brother is the apple of my eye. I just love Jessie. She's the apple of my eye. Set the record straight. To reveal the truth. To clarify. For example, she's decided to write her memoirs to set the record straight once and for all. His forthcoming third solo album should set the record straight. Kill 2 birds with a stone. Achieve 2 results by doing one thing. For example, whenever I jog, I like listening to English rap music. That way, I kill 2 birds with 1 stone. I stay fit whilst I improve my English language skills. If we can get gas and have lunch at the next rest stop, we will be killing 2 birds with 1 stone.